Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply places transition effect on CapCut. Right? Go to media and select your images you like to edit, and you can set the image duration in 1.0 second and go to transition, and then you can select by here's the places of transition effect. Add to track just for the duration in 0.4 second and apply to all the clip. Right. You can see the final result. Right. Go to effect and select a effect you like to add. Right. I'm going to select the uh, shack effect. Just for the strength and speed, so you can find the final result like so. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.